Hello fellow pipe smokers, Mark Welsh Piper with another Welshy's Waffle. I'm actually drinking some of this today. Yeah guys, I'm under the weather. I've got a bit of a bug, cold, flu, whatever it is. Aches and pains, bad throat, nose all stuffed up. So, snot rag at the ready. Yeah, I finished work last night. Come home, coughing me guts up and whatever. Temperatures up and down like a yo-yo. Well, once I up and down, it's just hot all the time. Had a bad night's sleep. So did the missus, because I was coughing, spluttering and getting in and out of bed, going to the toilet, getting rid of all the phlegm and crap I was bringing up. Yeah, so it was a rough night last night. I'd the last few days in work, I'm actually on my 4 days off now. The last 4 days in work, I've had like a pain in my back, sort of in the, must have been in the back of my lungs. Sorry guys, that's in the back of my lungs because it seemed to ache down one side of my back, in the middle of my back. And I just thought it was work, you know, me lifting and whatever. It's my body still getting used to going back to work. But that must have been the warning sign, you know, say listen. Because I thought it might have been a little bit of a chest infection or something. Even though I sounded okay, I thought it might have had a bit of chest infection on the way, but obviously it's turned out to be this. So that's a little warning for you guys. Yeah, I had 4 days where I just, the pain in my back. I'm not one for taking tablets. You see, I'm too stubborn. I don't like taking tablets, and you know, if I can help it. No, I'd rather live through the pain and the take tablets and whatever. Anyway, I've had a couple of paracetamol today and stuff because the other half's been nagging at me. So, excuse me, guys. I just had a couple to keep her quiet, like. Anyway, so Welshy's Waffle. What have we been up to? Not a lot. Like I said, I've been getting back into work, and I've got to start off this Welshy's Waffle with an apology. So, as an apology to my mate, Pipe Monkey Gary. Been rather quiet the last few days. And this is the reason why. He's been sending me messages and I've either not took no notice of them or just read them and not replied back. And it's just because I've been under the weather really. So sorry for that, Gary. And while I'm talking about Gary, listen guys, it's Gary's birthday on Tuesday. Tomorrow actually, Tuesday 15th. Yeah, so go over, send him some YTPC love, wish him all the best, and let's hope he has a great birthday. Right, what have I got on? Just some notes. For those of you who don't watch Parsimonious Piper, go and check his channel out on the latest Piper's Care video. Some people on there you might know, or you should know, or subscribe to. He's had recent events, you know, things have happened to him. Go and check the video out anyway. Yeah, so condolences. Yeah, so it's condolences to Mike Gainrod Piper, who lost his father on Friday, unfortunately. So condolences, prayers and love to you and the family, Mike. Yeah, not very easy thing to do to anybody has a loss in the family. It does hit home hard, especially your parents. You know, both my parents have gone now. You know, my father went last February, and my mother a few years ago now. 4 years ago, my mother. So yeah, I know how you're feeling, and prayers and love going out to you and your family. And also prayers for Scott on the 16th day. His mum Diana not been too well. She's been in and out, I believe, of hospital and stuff going on there. So again, prayers and love going out to Scott and his family, and especially his mum Diana. Hope things get sorted out soon and she's back to some sort of a normal life. So prayers to you. And Sonny the Piper. Yes, if you haven't checked him out, go and check his YouTube channel out and everything, guys. Go and send him some Y2PC love. He lost his dog, Zelda. Lovely dog. He's got a picture up of it on the YouTube there. Only 5 year old, the dog. So I don't know whether it's been, it was at an underlying condition, or if it had happened in a road traffic accident or something. For a beautiful looking dog. So sorry about that, Sonny. Prayers and love to you as well. And sorry, guys. Oh God. So anybody suffering with anything, and any loss, especially loss of family or anything, prayers and wishes to each and everybody. And hope you all pull through soon. As Paul Gilson would say, my friend Paul Gilson, another one I've lost contact with lately, the last few months, and I've been catching up on some of his videos this morning. Obviously thanking his subscribers, which same goes for me. Thank you for all your subscribers. Thank you all to the new subscribers. I can't believe, I've just checking this morning, I've actually passed 300 subscribers. 324 subscribers, where they come from. So thanks to each and every one of you. A little channel like mine, I didn't expect to get anywhere near that. 324. Wow. Yeah, I'll have to get I don't know, to wait to 500 or 400 and start doing a giveaway. Yes, well, or would you? Because I've not done a giveaway yet, guys. But you know me, I don't do things small, so it'll have to be something special. But that's up and coming. So as Paul Gilson would say, let's set something on fire. And I'm smoking a pipe off Paul. Let's get a close up of this, guys. This is a Mr. Brog pipe. It's an 86 console. Very nice deep bowl, this. He was gifted to me for my birthday, my 60th birthday. It was a giveaway. And there's only one person in the giveaway, so you know how that went. So, as Paul would say, let's set something on fire. And I'm smoking some vanilla custard, which I know Paul likes. But he gets his from pipes and cigars. But unfortunately for us over here, we can't buy it. We have to go to another supplier. Some of you might say it's a bit of a waste of time smoking a pipe while you got, stuffed up and. But I haven't had the pipe for about 5 days. Obviously, you don't smoke and work. Sometimes I might take a cigar, or sometimes I do smoke. I do take a pipe now and again, but I've not had one this week. Well, this Mr. Brog is an unfiltered pipe, which is why I've got an aromatic in it. Pretty sweet aromatic, as you know, vanilla custard. Because there's not many blends I can smoke non-filtered. So, hope you're all well. Hope you're all work's going well for you. Question, guys, which I wanted to ask. I don't know if anybody would like to do a VR for this. As we know, we're going up to that season, that time of the year. I think the American people have Thanksgiving before Christmas, and obviously, I want to know what your favourite blend is. Do you have a favourite Christmas blend? I've got a few Christmas blends. Just got the St. Nicholas one, Cornell and Deal. I think I bought We Three Kings last year, but like I said, I've only been smoking just over a year and a half, so I've not found that Christmas blend which really is your go-to blend for Christmas. So let me know, guys. Either let me know in the box or a VR would be better. I think. So, do you like something sweet? Do you like something Christmassy, like the ginger? Let me know what sort of nuances you like in your pipe tobacco over Christmas. I know a lot of people now will be changing their tobaccos with the weather turning. Do you have any favourites this time of year? Me, I just seem to smoke whatever I fancy. Looking forward to Pipe Monkey Gaddy coming down on the 10th of December. So we will be doing a video, so look out for that, guys. Yeah, we haven't done one for, as you know, we haven't done one for a long time. We're both really looking forward to that. There's gonna be a laugh again. Way overdue. Pipe Monkey Gaddy's missus has got a new job, starting a new job on Monday. Better hours, a little bit more pay. So good luck with that, Donna. Oh man, it's mild out here today, 14-15 degrees. The sun's out, some blue sky, but it's a bit chilly. He had a busy 4 night shifts and work this week. As you know, we do suppliers, distributors of white goods, so things are picking up ready for Christmas. Quieter than last year, but still picking up. Talking of which, the guys who've been interested about the job application sorry guys, sorry. The job application unsuccessful this time. But there will be other positions come up, but I wanted to make them know I'm still thinking about getting a bit further than what I am along the line, especially getting older. I want to try and finish on a high before I retire. Now over there in the UK, our retirement age is now 67, guys. So I don't know what it is over in the States, unless you can afford to retire early. But before we get state pension, it's 67. Used to be 62, then it went to 65, and then 67. I think if the government had their way, they just they'd do away with it. I think, and just make you work till your bloody drop down dead. I believe Bear and Miss Cathy still under the weather with their cold, so I hope they're getting a little bit better, because it's been going was it about 2 weeks now, Bear, Miss Cathy, so wish you two all the best as well. That's about it for me, guys. I don't want to drag this video out too long. I just wanted to give you an update of what was happening. I'm going back to, I want to start my shooting again. I used to do a bit of pistol and rifle shooting, which is 177 pellet shooting. Obviously with the gun laws over there, it's very difficult to have rifles and guns that shoot bullets rather than pellets, and I'll talk more about that in the next video or two. I've got a little setup here where to shoot at, about 10 meters for me pistol, and then that's about 50 foot, for me if I've got my rifles out. But I want to rejoin me shooting club, which I let me subscription sort of lapsed last year, so I'll go back up there and renew that. Get back into it. And if you haven't got one of these lighters, guys, I suggest getting one because they're cheap and they're very reliable. This is the Honest lighter. As you see, it's got the tools in there, your tamper, your spike, your spoon, electronic ignition. I've never had an issue with it. The first one I did, sent it back, got a replacement within 24 hours on Amazon. I think it comes under the name of a company called Promise, and but it might come under different companies. But you see Honest printed on here, just on the top here. It's got Honest lighter there. So, like I said before, I got this after watching one of Greg's videos, and it's my go-to lighter now. So, guys, I'm going to leave it there. I will talk about more about the pistol shooting, rifle shooting in the next few videos. I need to go down to go and do a trip down to Derby, which is about good. So is it Derby or Leicester? It's one of the shooting shops I go, I bought from before. It's a bit out my way, but I need to go and pay them a visit and see what they've got available. Because there's a pistol I've been after for a while. It's called it's a replica of the Colt SAA 45 pistol, and again it is a pellet. But it has the cases, as you know, 45 case. With these you put a pellet in the front or the back of it, and you use a CO2. And the little CO2 bottles, 12-gram bottles, which you put in the handle. Wait! Sorry, that about dogs messing about. Yeah, you put the CO2 in the handle, and I don't know if you guys have ever got one or have you heard one, but when you get that click, when you're cocking the hammer, it's just so. It's something I could do for about. I could just sit there, just click, 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 click. You get 3 clicks. You cocking the hammer, and it's one I've been promising myself a while, so I think that's maybe a birthday, Christmas present to myself. So yeah, guys, what are we going on? Oh, 18 minutes. Right, Welshy has been waffling on for too long, so I'll see you guys on the next video. Like I said, condolences to the people mentioned before, and if you're not feeling well, under the weather, I hope you get better soon, people, and good luck to everybody, sweet smokes and all that, and I'll catch you on the next one. Take care now.